Hey everybody, so today I'm gonna do a black lip called Nocturnal by Kate Cosmetics. I kept my makeup real simple, little eyebrow, lashes, because a black lip is pretty bold, so we wanna keep it simple, so watch me do this cake. When you do a black lip, you wanna line it first because you don't wanna get out of the lines. Once you're out of the lines, it's pretty much over. So, let's line our lips. And to be honest, I'm using a black eye pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. Um, it's not many. I mean, it's not too many black lip liners. So you can pretty much use whatever you have, eyebrow pencil, eye pencil. And when I line my lips, I like to make this V right here very, very strong. Doesn't matter what color I do. Anytime I line my lips, I make this V very deep. Even if you don't have this deep V, make it. You know, just make it. That's what makeup's for. We make things look how we want it to look. So you can overline your lips or just, stay along your natural line. But if you want to make a more dramatic and bold lip, you want to make it really deep and outline it just We're going to use Cake's Nocturnal lipstick. Black, black, ooh, black. And this part is really easy, but the fun part. Look how bold that goes on. Oh my gosh. Cake's lipsticks are literally the best. It literally goes on so smooth. Just like icing on a cake. For us girls who have these really huge lips, sometimes it looks a little too much or too overlined. So if you ever make a mistake or something's wrong, you can always get a concealer brush. I put a little concealer on my hand. I'm dipping it and I'm going to just outline a little bit of the corners and the edges so it could be very clean and crisp lips. Just gonna outline the corners. And there you have it. Only wear black if you're feeling bold, if you're trying to make a statement, want to have fun, whatever you feel, that's the color lipstick to wear. And today I'm feeling I was just feeling black vibes today. Black scarf, pink hair, black lip.